Well, my name's Iago, Steffan. I work for Lindsay Whittle, Plaid Cymru Assembly Member for South Wales East. I believe that Welsh History Month is really important because it underlines or talks about the achievements that the LGBT community within Wales has achieved. I know from our own party within Westminster, we've supported LGBT issues through Parliament, and obviously we've seen a lot of successes through laws, legislation, but there's a lot more that still needs to be done. So this Welsh History Month highlights what we need to do, and it's good that we now have this organisation now supporting and working with the Welsh Government together.
That's lovely. Thank you very much for your time, Iago.
Thank you.